Blokus Shuffle Uno Edition 2 and 3 players how to play. The rules are the same as regular Blokus Shuffle Uno Edition except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. To play with 2 players, players play 2 colors, blue and red or yellow and green. The playing order starts out as blue, yellow, red, green. Each player shuffles both of their colored cards into a single deck. The card you play does not have to match the color of the pieces whose turn it is. At the end of the game, players score their worst color. For a 3-player game, the playing order starts out as blue, yellow, red, green. Each player chooses one color. The remaining color is shared and is played alternately by each player when its turn comes up. So player 1 plays it first, then player 2, then player 3, then player 1, and so on. The cards for the shared color are kept face down and hidden except by the player who is controlling it. At the end of the game, the score of the shared color is ignored.